One reason soccer dominates the world as it does is the fact that the rules are transparently simple. The pitch is rectangular. The ball is round. You can't use your hands unless you're the goalkeeper, and the game involves 22 foreigners in funny shorts kicking the ball and each other for 90 minutes.
The identical ball they're going to use in the games. Give it to your boys.
About the World Cup finals in the United States is pretty typical on both sides of the Atlantic.